we move to the another question. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write down the missing numbers. Okay, they have given two diagrams A and B. They are saying that factor tree for number 60. Okay, they have given some numbers and they have put some question marks. Okay, what are these question marks? That's what they are asking. Okay, before directly diving into the topic, I will tell you. Suppose consider we are writing a factor tree for 6. Factor tree for 6 is 2, and here suppose if anyone put question mark, what will you tell? 6, you tell me how it obtained. 6 is obtained by multiplying 2 with this number. Okay, suppose in the place of question mark, if there is any number called 3, is it fine? 2 into 3 equal to 6, right? So 2 and 3 are factors for 6. If you understand this simple concept properly, then this and this you will able to solve within no time. Okay, see, always start with the last level, last step. Okay, always start with the last step. 2 multiplied by what number? We will get 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6, right? 2 into 3 equal to 6. Likewise, 5 into what number? We will get 10. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10. This is what we have learned in maths, right? You should not think, you should directly tell sir 2. Okay? Now here. Now we go to the next above. Here if you see 6 into 10. 6 into 10 equal to 60. Correct? So this is completed. So here the answer will be 3 and 2. Okay? Now here always we need to start with down, right? Ground level. Now before doing this, we will solve this question here, the point. Okay? Now here also question mark is there. 30 into what number is equals to 60? 30 into 2 equal to 60, right? So for 60 here factors are 30 and 2. Okay? Now here 10 into what number equal to 30? 10 into 3 equal to 30. So here 3 will come. Okay? Here we are solving from top to bottom, top down approach. Okay? This is bottom to top approach. Now here we left with only two things. 10. Now if you see the factors of 10, so it will be 1 into 10 is equals to 10, right? And 2 into 5 is equals to 10, or 5 into 2 equal to 10. That's it. Factors for 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Here this should be 2, this should be 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10, 10 into 3 equal to 30, 30 into 2 equal to 60. Okay? Or this can be 5 and 2 also. 5 into 2 equal to 10, 10 into 3 30, 30 into 2 60. That is how you need to fill the answers. Okay? Hope you understand the concept. So in an exam, maybe they may change this number. They'll directly say how are two different factor trees for, instead of 60 they will give 100 or 120. They will give some numbers. You need to answer any number by holding the concept with you. Just remember this diagram. Just remember this diagram. For getting factor for 6, you need to multiply its factors. For getting 6, you need to multiply its factors 2 into 3, that equal to 6. Okay?